Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aries. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies. These are for your daily energies, Aries. And I'll be picking cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck, guys. So this is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, and this is your angel guidance card. So we will open the cards as we proceed, guys. For your daily energies, Aries, Hermit, King of Pentacles in reverse, and Seven of Cups in reverse, guys. So today with these cards, Aries, I see here that you are thinking deeply about some decisions that you want to take. Some important decisions have to be taken, and you are contemplating your next choice, whatever you need, that plan of action. You are thinking about it seriously. You are waiting and deciding within yourself what you need to do. That is what I see here. So you are a person of knowledge. You have knowledge about things. You know what you need to do. So that is the reason that you are having that deep contemplation today, guys. This may be regarding your career situation or your relationship. So what is your plan of action? You are still deciding. That is what I see here. And you have that will power in you to make things go in a particular way. That confidence and strength, you have that, guys. That is also what I see here. But maybe you are experiencing some weakness. Maybe that may be because of your health, or it may be because of your financial status. Some weakness is there. That is also here, guys, the energy here. So that may be hindering you in this progress forward. Though you have that determination and courage, and you see the clear way to do things, reach that success, your health issues or your financial status, that may be the reason that you are not able to move forward, guys. Make that choice immediately. So you are thinking what you need to do to overcome all those hurdles, all those obstacles that you are facing. Maybe this may relate to your personal life. So you want to overcome those obstacles to go get closer to this person, or maybe in your work situation you want to overcome those obstacles to go in your way in this work with some projects or financial deals, whatever you are making, signing some agreements maybe, guys. So what is the card for your work situation? So this is the oracle's guidance, guys. These cards must be read straight, come to the edge. So with this card, guys, for your career situation, the energy is that you have to have that courage to take that leap of faith, guys. So sometimes in life we do not know what is the situation, what will unfold in our life. So we have that fear, and we will not be able to know what is going to come in our future. So we have that fear. So today you have to let go of that fear and listen to your heart, whatever you feel, that intuition. So go for it, take that risk. When you do that, you will make things work for your benefit, guys. So you need your courage to lead the way, not your fear. So when you do that, when you take that step forward, the results will be amazing. So in whatever situations that you are faced up with, you can take that risk, guys. That is what is the oracle's guidance. And what is the card for your relationship? Deep knowing. So with this card, the energy, guys, is that when you meet a person, you will have some kind of familiarity, or you will know in your heart of hearts that this person is some way connected with you. So when you have that intuition about that person, some regarding this connection, something is guiding you in this towards this person. So you will know that you are connected to them, and this person is there for a particular reason, guys. So when you have that connection, it just means that you both are meant to be together. This may be a twin flame, a soulmate connection, guys. That is the reason you have that depth of bonding in this relationship. It is simply indescribable how you feel with this person. So even when that person has that same connection with you, you have to understand that this relationship is meant to be. That is the reason they have crossed the path with you, and that is the reason that you have that attraction, that intuition guiding you towards this person. So maybe sometimes we feel that deep bond with certain people, we would have met them the first time, just means that they are meant to be in our life, guys. That is the reason they are there out of the blue coming towards us. So that is the oracle's guidance. And when you go forward with this person in this relationship, you will share a great understanding. You will share that your hearts will melt in that love and happiness, attraction, intimacy, guys, and you will see magic all around you. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Let us see what is the angel card here. Speak from the heart. So with this card, guys, the oracles, the angel oracle guidance is that you have to speak that truth, whatever you feel, guys. So sometimes in life we are not able to speak the truth. We often say things just to please others, but sometimes we should be able to honestly come out with what we want to say. So when we do that, when we say what we are having truly in our heart of hearts, we will empower the other person also will to come out with the truth. So when that clear truthful communication takes place, we will understand that situation and we will get that clarity, guys. So this angel guidance card is for that honest, truthful, heart to heart communication today, guys, in your relationship. That is the reading, Aries. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.